This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fold your VW Tiguan backseat. First, ensure the rear seats and cargo area are completely clear of any items. Next, slide the front seats forward as much as needed to provide ample space for the rear seat backs to fold down without obstruction. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth process. Now, locate the release levers, typically found on the top outer edge of each rear seat back. Pull the lever firmly upwards to disengage the lock. With the lever held, gently push the seat back forward and down. It should fold smoothly into a flat position, creating more cargo space. For an even flatter load floor, some Tiguan models allow you to slide the rear seat base forward. Check for a small lever or strap near the front of the seat base. If present, pull it to slide the base forward. This extra step maximizes your cargo area and provides a more level surface for larger items. To restore your rear seats, simply lift each seat back firmly upwards. You will hear an audible click as it locks into its upright position. Visually confirm that any red indicator, if present, is no longer visible, signifying a secure latch. Give the seat a gentle push to ensure it is fully locked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.